Hello everyone, I hope 2018 has been treating all of you very well, and I know for me the last 3 weeks and last 4 weeks have been a complete whirlwind. I moved again. I basically spent the last 3 weeks slowly moving out and transitioning. My skin looks better than ever. I'm super happy with the progress. So I am going to be talking to you a little bit about skincare and some non-beauty related products in this video as well. So I'm going to start with some makeup pieces because last year I really didn't wear much makeup. I didn't experiment with makeup because I was so scared of making my skin break out more. But now that I get eyelash extensions regularly, I wanted to talk to you about them more. And the mascara that I'm wearing was recommended to me by Claire Marshall, but unfortunately this Victoria Beckham Estee Lauder mascara has been discontinued, or at least it's sold out. I do hope that Victoria and Estee will bring it back just because it is a really great mascara if you wear extensions. Now if you have long lashes, it kind of reminds me of Dior's mascaras. They're a little bit more creamy and they don't set super quickly, but this is so easy to wash off. I just gently pull at the mascara with Q-tips, just wet ones, and I find that it comes off really cleanly and it doesn't pull the extensions off. Now let's chat a little bit about lips. And most of you know, if you live in Southern California, we are experiencing an extremely odd heat wave. So it feels like summer already, and I've been wearing a little bit more of a glossy look. So that's why I've layered the Christian Louboutin matte lipstick in the Classic Rouge with a little bit of the Red Nectar #1 Lip Slick by Tom Ford. I've discussed these in my last video, so please go ahead and check it out if you haven't seen it. And I absolutely love this Soleil collection. I love the packaging. The white and gold is so chic. It feels luxurious but not too heavy. It won't weigh down your handbag. When I want to use it more as a lip balm, I use #4. It's a violet berry shade in the tube, but on my lips it kind of just creates a slightly darker sheen, so it makes my lips stand out and it just moisturizes them. Nothing makes my lips feel this baby soft. If you haven't seen my last video, please do go check it out because I apply the berry color to my bare lips before I apply the makeup, the rest of the Soleil collection actually. Most of you know I have extremely sensitive lips and pretty much everything makes them peel. I used to love the YSL tinting oil, but the Tom Ford formula blows the YSL out of the water. It's not as slippery, it's long lasting, and it just simply makes my lips baby soft. We're gonna wrap up the makeup now with the foundation that I've been wearing non-stop for the last few months. This is the Chantecaille Future Skin Oil-Free Gel Foundation in the color Cream. It's made in Japan and it comes in a very lightweight, travel-friendly plastic jar. I love that it's simple, not gaudy, not wasteful. It is really great packaging in my personal opinion. And I also love the fact that this is the very first foundation in years that I have finished within a year. It never clogs my pores, it doesn't make me break out, it looks natural without being heavy or cakey. So I highly recommend this foundation. It's definitely one of the best foundations I've ever used. The shade I'm currently using is Cream, but it's a touch too peachy for me. I like to use a little bit more on the yellow side to counteract my redness from the acne scarring. So I'm going to experiment a little bit with a couple more different shades, and then I'll go ahead and film a foundation tutorial because I know you guys love seeing the base makeup magic. Now before we move on to skincare, I wanted to take a break to talk to you about non-beauty related favorites. I'm transitioning the channel into more of a lifestyle based channel, and this year I will be vlogging more. I'll be showing you more of Beau, my personal life, my boyfriend, so I'm going to talk to you about non-beauty related things this year. And so as part of that commitment, I'm also talking to you about things that are important to me outside of beauty. So today I'm going to start with my handbag of the moment, and this has been a godsend for me because I have been busy with moving. I'm staying at my sister's place often to spend more time with my nephew and her as well, obviously. So because of that, my Sunrev Doctor bag has been my it bag. It's easy to maintain. It has tons of pockets, which I love because I am wearing leggings often. So of course, leggings don't generally have pockets, which makes all these compartments So useful for somebody like me. Sometimes I carry it with the buckle strap, and other times I'll carry it by these top handles. Most of the time though, instead of the buckle facing outwards, I actually carry the bag with just this flap side forward. So I like to put all my essentials in here, everything that's easy for me to grab. Most of the time I actually keep my Tom Ford Lip Slick in Red Nectar simply in the front of the pocket. I think what most people probably will love about the doctor bag is that it comes with this extra long strap. For those curious, this bag is made in Italy. It comes with one main zipper, and I like to leave this open the way I do with any handbag that generally doesn't have a flap. I just personally like a more casual take on these things, and that's just my personal style. This color is called Ice Gray, and in here I have my charcoal colored wallet and my gray Burberry scarf. So I just like to keep everything monochrome lately. And I know I've mentioned this before because I know that a lot of you find it strange, but I do not carry a makeup bag on the day-to-day. I only carry it if I have somewhere to go and if I'm staying over at someone else's place. So this one does actually fit my makeup bag along with all my other everyday essentials. So now we're going to move on to headphones. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about fitness because yay, I have been working out every day again and my numbers are back up. I pretty much just need to work on my stamina again or rip everything out. But I've been wearing these Bose Sound Sports, and these are in-ear headphones. They're wireless, and these are perfect if you do a lot of cleans, deadlifts, squats, you know, just a lot of high intensity work. Heavy and heavily, I guess, would be the most accurate description. So these come in quite handy. They were a Christmas gift from my boyfriend, and I absolutely love them because I would try to steal his when I worked out. And when you're doing cleans, you're moving your whole body a lot, and you just can't wear big over-the-ear headphones, and it's really hard to squat wearing headphones that you have to plug into your phone. So if you're committed to fitness this year and you just haven't had a nice pair of headphones to invest in, definitely try these Bose. They charge really fast. They come with a cute little case. I have some of the tiniest ears ever, but interestingly enough, I find that the medium size for the little silicone bits help to keep these headphones in place the best. Okay, so my favorite skincare product in all of January is this Dr. Barbara Sturm Molecular Cosmetics Calming Serum. This is made in Germany, and this has been making a huge difference in my morning skincare routine. So if you would like to see morning and evening skincare routines, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will try to work on filming those with my sister because we do have very similar skincare routines. Just in general, I have been very cautious about experimenting with skincare, experimenting with makeup, because I'm so paranoid that now that my skin is finally making progress, I'm gonna ruin it again. So a lot of the products that I am using are approved by my dermatologist, and my dermatologist, Dr. Chu, is so sweet. She is amazing, and she has been helping my skin recover quite nicely. So I know it's still taking time. I don't love looking at my bare skin quite yet, but this Dr. Sturm Serum is very moisturizing. My skin is quite depleted from all of the acne topicals. It's not oil-free, so if that's what you're looking for, I would recommend looking somewhere else, but this has gone a long way in making my skin a lot more comfortable during the day. Under makeup, it's not flaky anymore. It doesn't look dry or ashy. Now, this is a weird one because I don't generally talk about body products or hygiene, etc., and I had to talk about this because this deodorant is the best thing I've ever used in a while, and I stopped using the Kiehl's. I was experimenting a while with some drugstore products, but I just simply couldn't find a deodorant that I liked. And then I was randomly at Space NK, and I was buying my By Terry concealers, and I spotted this Malin & Getz eucalyptus deodorant at the checkout. It's a gel stick, but it smells great. I personally love herbaceous scents like eucalyptus. It's not too strong or overwhelming, and I do sweat quite a bit when I'm working out, and I do find that this lasts throughout my workout. I will towel down and reapply if I'm going somewhere, if I'm not going straight home to take a shower, but I just find it so comfortable and moisturizing, makes it easier to shave too. Last but not least, we are going to wind down this video with the Tatcha Luminous Deep Hydration Firming Eye Serum. I have slowly noticed that the crow's feet on this eye are getting longer and longer with every passing month, and I'm turning 29 in April, So now I have kicked this into high gear. I am using eye cream every night. For a while, I just got lazy and stopped. So I really think that break is what caused these wrinkles to start moving. And now I'm paranoid that if I stop using eye products that it will just get longer and longer. I know smile lines do have their own charm, but I just personally don't want them to be more exaggerated than they have to be. And I really like this Tatcha serum in the morning because I do get easily inflamed, so that means my face bloats easily. And I love this white applicator because it has a slightly cooling effect and it takes the puffiness away within about 5 to 10 minutes. The skin here definitely does look a little bit healthier, a little less dry, and no milia, so no white bumps or anything. And that's a wrap for my January 2018 favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as always, and I hope you have a great month of February, and I'll check in with you guys really soon. Bye!